Once upon a time, in a small, peaceful town, lived a peculiar cat named Two-Face. That's right, he had two different colored faces, one white and one black. Everyone in town thought Two-Face was a bit strange, but he was a friendly and kind cat. He had a special gift. He could make decisions based on whether he looked at his white face or black face. One day, Two-Face woke up feeling confused. He looked at his white face, and it showed a frown. He looked at his black face, and it showed a smile. What was going on? He decided to take a walk around the town to clear his head. As he strolled, he saw a group of kittens playing near a river. Two-Face loved kittens, so he walked over to play with them. While he was playing, he noticed one kitten was trapped in a hole. Two-Face was torn. If he used his white face, he might decide to leave the kitten and go home. But if he used his black face, he knew he would help the kitten. Two-Face closed his eyes and made a decision. When he opened them, he saw his black face smiling back at him. He knew immediately that he would help the kitten. With a leap and a bound, Two-Face jumped into the hole and gently picked up the kitten. He brought the kitten back to its mother, who was relieved and grateful. That night, Two-Face went to bed feeling content. He realized that it didn't matter which face he looked at, what mattered was the decision he made from his heart. From that day on, Two-Face became a hero in the eyes of everyone in town. So, remember, no matter how different we may seem, we all have the power to make a difference. Good night.